Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we will presenting on understanding operating system interrupt. Next. This presentation is prepared for our operating system course CSC 232 under the guidance of our lecturer Dishti Shah. Our group member are Mohammad Parvez Sakib, MD Khalid Hassan, Mahir Al Mehdi and Akif Hassan. I will presenting the past part of the topic. What is interrupt? Next. Let's begin by understanding what an interrupt is actually. An interrupt is basically a signal that stops the CPU from whatever it's currently doing and tells to pay attention to something else that needs immediate handling. So the CPU temporarily pauses the current task, deals with the interrupt and then confusion from where it let off. A simple way to think about it is like a doorbell. When someone rings the doorbell, you stop what you are doing, check who at the door, and then return to the what you are doing. Similarly, interrupts help the CPU respond quickly to important event. Next, types of interrupts. There are mainly two types of interrupts. Hardware interrupts. These are generated by external hardware devices such as keyboard, mic, device, and network cards. For example, when you pass a key on your keyboard, it triggers a hardware interrupt, then tell the CPU to read the input. Software interrupt. These are triggered by software instructions. They are often used to tasks like system call or handling error. For instance, if a program requests to read the file, it generates a software interrupt to communicate with the operating system. Together, these are two types of ensure that both hardware and software can efficiently communicate with the CPU.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Khalid Hassan Kais. Last four digit of my ID is 1262. Today I am presenting my operating system presentation, and my presentation topic name is Understanding Operating System Interruption. And my part is where do interruption happen? 1. OS operation. When devices like printer or other hardware devices complete a task, they interrupt the CPU. Like when the painter do his work, it is say like I done my work, what will be the next? Second one is error condition, even like division like zero or memory access violation trigger interruption. Like when we try to enter a illegal website, it will be happened. Third one is timer. Operating system use timer interrupt for multitasking and scheduling process. Basically, when we use multiple browser in Chrome, one will be stopped, the another one will start. This process is timer interruption. How interruptions are handled. 1. Signal detection. The CPU detects an interruption signal from processing and chapter. To context save, what will be running in the present time, it will be stopped and saved like a file. Third one, interruption handle. Control all the transformation to specific routine to address the interruption. After that, context restore. What will be stored in the running time before it will be restored from the before file, and it will be start and resume the execution. The original program what will be is stop, it started from the which time it will be stop and run the process and execute it properly. Thank you. That's all. Our next team member will explain his part.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Mahi Al Mahdi, my last four digit 1016. Today I am talking about why interrupts are important. First of all, multitasking. Multitasking creates the illusion that multiple applications are running simultaneously on a single processor. It allows you to seamlessly switch between tasks like browsing, typing, and listening to music. This is managed by the OS rapidly switching CPU time between processes. Second, efficiency. The CPU is freed from repeatedly checking devices. It can focus its power on executing other productive tasks. It only switches its attention when a device signals it is ready. This waiting is efficient, saving both time and processing power. After that, responsiveness. Ensure the system responds promptly to user input and critical hardware events. So here we can see the interrupt vector table. The interrupt vector table IVT is a crucial data structure that acts as a dispatch table for the CPU. It contains a predefined list of interrupt numbers with each number mapped directly to the memory address of its corresponding interrupt service routine ISR. When any interrupt is triggered, the CPU automatically references this table using the interrupt number as an index. It instantly locates the correct ISR address. This mechanism ensures that organized and immediate response to system events, providing the foundation for efficient interrupt handling. So that's all from my side. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Akif Hassan. Last four digit of my ID is 1287. Now I am discuss about why interrupts matter in your daily life. So here, many points. First point is seamless multitasking. The magic of listening to music while typing a document and downloading a file, all without any app freezing. This impact for makes modern computing feel fluid and powerful. And next point is instant responsiveness. Here, your keystrokes appear instantly. Your mouse cursor moves leg without leg. This impact for provides the immediate real-time feedback we expect from our device. And next point is efficient power and battery life. So allows the CPU to sleep or work on other tasks while waiting for you to click, tap, or type. So this impact for drastically improves battery life in phones and laptops. And last point is critical system stability. Allows the operating system to handle errors, preventing a single crashed program from freezing the entire machine. So this impact for your computer is far more stable and reliable. Conclusion: the unsung heroes. Interrupts are the unsung heroes of operating systems, orchestrating the complex dance and between hardware and software. They are fundamental mechanism that allows a single CPU to juggle multiple tasks with efficiency. By ensuring urgent requests get immediate attention, they create the seamless responsiveness experience we expect from modern computers. From a simple keystrokes to complex multitasking, they work tirelessly in the background. In instance, interrupts are the invisible conductor that bring harmony, order to the entire computing symphony. So that's all about our presentation. Thank you.